Okay, the next item we have is a Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital code. Collector's edition plus 2 mini movies. Only at Target. Illumination presents Minions: The Rise of Gru. Front, side, other side, and back. And we're going to take that plastic off so we can see what's inside. Okay, now we're going to take the slip cover off, and look, the covers are different. Let's see what we got inside. Inside we've got a set of tattoos.
Let's see what's inside.
Let's see the tattoos. There they are. Wow, look at those tattoos. We should put one on.
Yeah.
You, me, and Addie could all put a tattoo on us. Oh, somebody trying to call.
Just ignore it.
Okay. And there is the insert. And we've got a yellow and silver DVD and a silver and yellow Blu-ray.